In this class, I will talk about emissive material that I will use night rendering. Firstly, let's import an image into our scene. Make it explode and make group. Let's go into the group and make it scale with tape measure. I will make it 180 centimeters and press enter. Let's leave 90 degrees with rotate. And push it back and add a V-Ray infinite plane. Go to the rendering settings and close V-Ray Sun. Set the environment background 0.05. Let's activate the V-Ray denoiser and choose mild. Then start to test with interactive render. I will add another layer to this material and make it shine. There is an option here. When you click on it, you will see the hidden material menus. Let's add emissive layer by pressing plus sign. As you can see, it is shining a lot because there is no material inside it. I copy diffuse texture slot and paste it to emissive. UVs failed. If you make it fit from the above V-Ray menu, it will be corrected. Emissive material appears on both surfaces of the object. You can deactivate it emit on backside to turn it off. Only the front part will illuminate. When I increase intensity value, all sides of the image will be enlightened. For example, windows and wall of the building. I want enlightenment to come only through windows. Let's make the value 1 again. If we assign a mask image to this intensity slot, only windows will shine. And this intensity value will be deactivated because there is an image inside it. We can increase this intensity in another way. There is a multiplier options at the bottom right. When I raise the intensity level will increase. Let's make the value 1. But what I want is that the walls of the building should be seen. I do not want it to be black. You can use this black image in your rendering works which represent buildings that are far behind. But what I want is that the walls of the building should be seen. Let's add one more emissive layer to make it. When we add, the top layer will be bright because it will appear. Let's paste the image inside, it will be pasted as copy. The light of the wall looks nice. My aim is just to get light from the windows. I add the same mask image to the transparent slot of the new layer. When I go to the first emissive layer and increase the intensity, I can see that only the windows are shining. I'm increased the value 100, and as you can see, you will not see the details. You do not have to increase this value. I just make it 2. With this technique, you can adjust the glare intensity of wall and windows. You can add these groups to the back and beyond of the camera, and you can let them reflect. Bad aspect of emissive material is that it makes noise. If you pay attention to the front of the building, you can see them. The noiser will make them clean, but it will stay a little. You can use lens effect inside frame buffer. Let's decrease bloom value and let's see the result. Let's select region rendering and accelerate the result. I guess there's a problem related to values. Let's increase the value. Yes, effect began to appear. I am decrease the value a bit. By using this effect, you can get realistic light which is shining from behind your building. You can easily find such building image from internet. I just add mask to windows with Photoshop. You can make them look longer by copying them. You can make animation like 20-story residence and skyscraper. I hope they are useful for you. See you next lesson.